Hi guys, it's Ellie and welcome to another easy drawing tutorial with Kawaii Art Tribe. Thank you so much for all your votes on last week's drawing video, so stay tuned if you want to learn how to draw a cute and easy Queen Elsa from Disney's Frozen 2 movie. Before we dive into this week's step-by-step drawing, here's a shout out to our Kawaii Drawing of the Week. If you like to see your cute drawings in next week's art video, you can submit your artwork through the Kawaii Art Challenge on Instagram. Check out the link in our description box below for more details. Here are the art materials that you will need. And if you're new to Kawaii Art Tribe, I have a free welcome gift for you. Just sign up with your email via the link in the description below to receive a mini gradient paint from my all-in-one palette. And if you're interested to find out more about these brushes, the links will also be in the description below. Let's start by using our liner brush and white face paint to do a quick sketch. I'll be sharing some easy face and body painting techniques in this art tutorial, but you can definitely use the same techniques when you paint on paper too. Now let's start coloring. Load your small flat brush with the yellow and white gradient. Use the one-stroke painting technique to fill in all the sections of her hair. Sweep your brush from the inner to the outer corner of each hair section. Now let's load our large flat brush with this light and dark blue gradient. Again, using the one-stroke painting technique, lay down the lighter color at the top of her dress. Then flip your brush and use a darker color at the top of her shoulder to create an additional section on each side of her dress, and these will be her sleeves. Now for the bottom of her dress, use your medium flat brush with the dark blue and purple gradient. Notice that I'm overlapping the blue part of the gradient to give it a smooth blend into purple. Next, use your small round brush to fill in her boots with light blue paint. Using this same brush with white paint, let's color in her cape. Now for her face and hands, let's use our medium round brush to fill them in with beige paint. You probably need 2 to 3 coats to get it really even. And because I want Elsa to look like she's holding a snowflake, I'm using a damp small round brush to carve out an open palm. This pink and orange color here reminded me of the autumn leaves in the Frozen 2 movie poster, so let's use our large flat brush to apply this swirl of color behind Elsa. You can start to see how the one-stroke painting technique works flawlessly with our all-in-one palette. It becomes so easy even for beginners to paint impressive gradients in a single stroke. And good news for those of you who are ready to experience the magic of this painting technique. You can claim your free mini gradient paint from my all-in-one palette. Just sign up with your email via the link in the description below. As you all know, this is my favorite part. We're going to outline our design using a liner brush with black face paint. Let's work our way from the top to the bottom. If you like to learn how to draw more cute and easy drawings like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, followed by the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. Next, I'm gonna use my liner brush to pick up some pink for her cheeks and her lips. Next, let's use our liner brush with white face paint and add in some highlights. Now let's add some teardrops in decreasing sizes. These teardrops should be pointing towards the middle of your design. To give our design more frozen magic, let's draw more snowflakes. I'm also drawing some dots to look like cute speckles of snow. If you really want your design to pop, then go ahead to give it an extra outline in white. And there you have your super cute and easy drawing of Queen Elsa. I hope you like using the one-stroke painting technique in your next drawing. If you haven't done so yet, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to join me again next week. In the meantime, I've also got more fun activities for you to try at home, so check out the links in the description below. And let me know in a comment if you would prefer to learn how to draw Pusheen or a unicorn in next week's drawing tutorial. Happy drawing guys, and I'll see you in my next art video.